Dave here with Limitless Brave. For the past 16 years, I've been mentoring men to help them shift their mindsets so they can shift their world. Helping them with their dating lives, their marriages, their divorces, their careers and businesses, of course, living an awesome lifestyle, and everybody's favorite, helping them make more money. I'm currently in Bucharest, Romania. I've been here for about 2.5 weeks or so, running different workshops, having meetups, having dinner meetups, hanging out with the Limitless Brave community here in Europe. And I must say, the guys are awesome. The guys that hang out with the Limitless Brave community, the guys who are in the workshops, the guys that come to the meetups, man, just solid dudes. They are dedicated to growing. They're dedicated to being the best version of themselves they can possibly be, being the most masculine version of themselves they could possibly be, winning in the arenas of dating and their careers and making money and just living an awesome lifestyle and being an awesome dude. And I want to say that that's not the case for most men. A lot of men feel that they don't belong and that they're not cool, that they're not important, that what they bring to the world is insignificant. And a lot of guys start out in Limitless Brave from that mindset and quickly realize that they have a brotherhood here that supports them in everything that they're doing and through their growth process, because it's not an easy road to walk alone. And you know, the guys here are super supportive. I just really enjoyed the meetups that we had, our lunch meetups, our dinner meetups. These are free to join. I do that for guys who, you know, may not have financial means to participate in some of my intensive workshops, or are just curious to kind of check out the brotherhood here, check out the community, meet me in person, meet some of the clients in person. And we always have a good time. Just a bunch of guys hanging out, teasing each other, giving each other a hard time, you know, doing the guy thing. But it's all from a place of love, all from a place of just fun and growth. And as you kind of integrate into the community, you know, you quickly see that everybody here, as much as we pick on each other, we love each other greatly and support each other to get to where we want to go. So if you're curious about Limitless Brave, you're curious about my coaching, come hang out with us, and you'll quickly be welcomed into a community that you didn't know that you actually need. That's a big common thing that a lot of guys realize as they, you know, get involved with me and with Limitless Brave and the coaching and growing, is that they didn't realize how much they need a community of like-minded men around them to help them grow and get to that next level. And that's exactly what, you know, I provide here. And the guys love it, totally love it. So one thing that was a kind of repeating topic that I saw these past couple weeks was men not feeling at home, not feeling comfortable in their own skin and their own bodies. And that comes from a lot of different reasons. A lot of it is childhood traumas that you've been through in childhood and teenage years. A lot of that feeling of discomfort comes from when you were a child, maybe your parents didn't feel like they had your survival in their best interest. Maybe they weren't unconditional with their love. Maybe you didn't feel appreciated, approved of, accepted, etc. And you know, you develop these kind of traumas that build into feeling like a stranger in your own body sometimes. And a lot of the work and a lot of the commentary in the workshops these past couple weeks were dealing with that sensation of not feeling comfortable being masculine, not feeling comfortable being directed and decisive and commanding, fear of confrontation, fear of being emotionally expressive. All this makes you feel uncomfortable inside yourself. And the work that I do helps you become very comfortable with who you really are in your own skin, helps you start to enjoy your masculinity, enjoy being a man, start getting out of life what you're here to get out of it, whether it's money, dating, career, living an awesome lifestyle. Like I was kind of saying before, the community here of guys, these guys meet up all around the world and hang out when, I'm not even involved. That's how robust the community is. They just go on little vacations together, hang out, go visit each other in each other's countries. It's really cool. There were so many countries represented here this past couple weeks. The US, the UK, Germany, Austria, Greece, Italy, Sweden, Romania, like the list just goes on. I can't even remember the rest. Just so many guys from all over the world here, hanging out, getting to know each other, building a global community, helping each other feel safer in their own skin, being a man and hanging out and expressing with each other. One of the discomforts that a lot of men face is that they feel like no other man has their problems. Like nobody could possibly understand what's going on with them. And I can promise you guys, 90% of the problems that you bring into workshops, there's at least 2 to 3 other guys, because I only limit my workshops to 10 guys, that's it. There's a guaranteed 2 to 3 other guys that have the exact same problem in every single workshop. It doesn't matter if I'm doing workshops in Australia, US, Europe, wherever, whatever you're dealing with, I can promise you there's gonna be other guys that have the exact same problem. And it's really nice to meet those other guys and connect with them, which sounds kind of weird, over the problem, because now you feel not so alone. Now you feel you connected with somebody that truly understands what's going on in your life. And when we go from isolation to connection, the power of that story, just through that connection, starts to die off a little bit. You feel seen, you feel heard, you feel important, you feel like you commiserate with somebody that understands you. So that's another added bonus of the Limitless Brave community and starting to feel safe in your own body again. Now, when it comes to processing out all of these traumas that you've been through and all that discomfort in your body, I have countless exercises and practices that, I'll take you through in the workshops, as well as having the other students support you through these exercises. And it's awesome. You really start to feel the version of yourself that you may have lost from childhood to a version of yourself that you never thought you were capable of feeling or experiencing. And it's all done through the work that we do in the intensives and clearing out a lot of the trash in the subconscious mind, getting the embodiment kicked on, feeling the body more, really working on your grounding, working on your mindset, showing you that your perceived problems and oddities and differences aren't really that bad. And they're actually kind of normal when you compare it across the spectrum of men. It's very, very common what you're dealing with typically. But you don't know that until you're sitting here in a workshop, until you're connecting with the other men in the workshop, or you're coming to a meetup and connecting with other men there. You don't know that. So what I'm saying right now is kind of a disbelief in your own mind, because you haven't been here to connect with those people, to go through the process, to make yourself feel better. So I get it. It's just, me, some random dude on the internet telling you that things are gonna get better, but they will. But you gotta make the effort. You gotta get here to the workshops. You got to get yourself involved, and then everything else will start taking care of itself once you do that. The biggest hurdle to changing, to growing, to becoming that man that you ultimately want to be is taking that first step to say, hey, I need help here. I need somebody that understands me or that can get me out of this place that I'm in. And that's exactly what I do. It's exactly what I've been doing for the past 16 years here, is getting you guys to the place that you want to be, living these lifestyles that you dream about, that you think are for other men, but are actually for you and are much closer than you actually think. You know, that was another thing that was talked about quite a bit the past couple weeks, is how quickly I shifted guys' realities and they started living the life that they never thought was possible. Sometimes in a matter of 2 hours or less, their reality in their brain about themselves and what they're capable of and what they're doing and how they're going to execute their future life completely shifted. And all of them were saying, I didn't think this was for me. It's a very common thing that I hear. And the next thing you know, they're living it. So yeah, I know that sounds snake oily, salesmanish, but it's a fact, guys. I've been doing this a long time. I can definitely help you get to the place that you want to be and live the way that you want to live. But it takes time. It takes investment of your capital. You got to pay for the workshops. You got to show up. You got to be involved. You have to keep putting one foot in front of the other. But with my guidance, I can get you there. And I've done it for so many men. In fact, I have over 100 testimonials in the Limitless Brave private reserve community. And if you're interested in that community, down in the description below is the link to that community, as well as all my upcoming workshops, where they're going to be in the world. And I hope to see you in one of them. I hope that you face your fears, take that first step, sign up for a workshop, either virtual or in person, come to a meetup, come to a Limitless Masculine Mindset Live. That's a low cost, barrier to entry type workshop, usually $97 to get into that workshop, $397 if you want to join the limited 10-person VIP dinner afterwards. But guys, for like $100, you can get involved. You can get involved virtually, you can get involved in person. In person is extremely powerful, but I understand if you don't have the means to travel, I've got plenty of coaching options that are virtual for you that I can still help you wherever you are. So I hope to see you in the workshop. I hope you get involved with the Limitless Brave community and the awesome guys that are here. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.